Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to Planet Inting. I'm Vince, and this is everything drone related, uh, videography, photography, POV, tricks and tips, and what have you, and safety reminders, everything under the sun, everything drone related. Hi, and welcome to the channel. And right now in this video, now, if you think, let's talk about if you need an expensive drone to become a good pilot, that belief is holding you back, to be honest. Now, the drone industry loves to convince beginners that better gear equals better skills. But skill doesn't come from price tags. It comes from patience, mistakes, and control. Now let's talk about why you don't need expensive drones to become a good pilot, which not a lot of people are talking about this. Now, point number one, cheap drones let you practice without fear. When your drone is expensive, you fly scared. You're cautious about it. Now you avoid tight spaces, you avoid practicing hard moves, and you baby the controls cautiously. Now with affordable drones, you practice more freely, you take more learning risks, and learning risks means faster improvement. Mhm. And number two, skill transfers across all drones. Test it and try. Mhm. Throttle control is throttle control. Yaw control is yaw control. Depth perception is depth perception. If you can fly a basic drone smoothly, upgrading later feels easy. And I bet you guys know that. To those who have a collection of drones, you know what I mean. And the skill transfers instantly, naturally. And number three, expensive drones hide bad habits. Let's be real. Now, premium drones, don't get me wrong, premium drones are really cool to have, really. Now, these premium drones cover your mistakes with auto braking, obstacle avoidance, auto stabilization, smart tracking, and so forth. Now, you think you're smooth, but the drone is doing the work for you, not your skill. Mhm. And comes to point number four, mastery comes from drills, not gear. Real pilots don't ask, what drone should I buy? Their mindset, they ask, what should I practice? Now, for starters, let's try precision hover or figure eights, smooth landings, box patterns. No, I mean drills build pilots. Gear just records your level. To be honest, no, it's just a tool. And number five, now if you have a budget setup, you get more flight time. Cheaper drones usually mean less stress when flying, more batteries you can afford, more practice time. Now, more flight time beats better specs. Let's be real. Every single time. Now, now high-end drones, like I mentioned, it's really nice to have. They're really cool. Of owning one, I bet most of you have already these drones, like the Mavic 4 Pro, the Mini 5 Pro. These are the other higher tier drones there. Now, these drones, they are amazing tools. Don't get me wrong. And this is good for like commercial work, client safety, complex tracking shots, risk-heavy environments. But they usually reward for skill, not a replacement for it. Now, if your drone doesn't make you a good pilot, your habits do. Fly more, train intentionally, then upgrade later. Now, now, please like and subscribe if you like this content. If you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe and comment what drone you're currently flying. Like if you saved you a lot of money, and subscribe if you're building real skills, not just buying gear. And check out my other video that is perfect for aspiring drone pilots who is seeking precision and pure skill. So yeah, like and subscribe, and you can check my other videos on my uploads. I do have sample drone shots as well, and yeah, I'll link it in my playlist. And yeah, thanks for watching, and you have a good one. Fly safe and take care. See you in the next video.